All right, guys. So this is chapter 3, section 1. We're skipping chapter 2 for right now. This is a lecture for advantages of the free enterprise system. So in the free enterprise system, guys, there's a lot of basic concepts. Um, Probably the biggest one. Oh, reminder: if it's in green, you have to write it down. If it's in red, you don't necessarily have to write it down, but it's still important. So the basic concepts of the free enterprise system is that we are essentially by our capitalistic economy. It's our American system of capitalism, guys. Our capitalistic society runs on the free hand, which is overall the summary of free enterprise system, or the invisible hand, which is the summary of the free enterprise system. It's based on private ownership of the factors of production. Guys, remember the factors of production are fourfold: human capital, or capital, labor, land, and entrepreneur. Producers produce what they feel will make them money. Okay? It's no secret, guys. Back in the last lecture, I talked about how the producers are producing their goods based off the statistics that they get from us, and those statistics are what we buy, what we use our money on, etc. So with that information, the producers are going to produce what is going to make them most money. And finally, we're getting to the consumers. Guys, when you go to the store, you don't buy something that you don't want, right? You guys only buy what you want or what you guys need. And risks are taken on by the entrepreneur. Basic rules: anybody can enter into the marketplace. Okay? When I say this, guys, the marketplace is anything that you guys are selling online. It could be Facebook Marketplace, it could be Craigslist. If you're selling a car on Craigslist, you are voluntarily entering the marketplace. Anybody and everybody can enter the business sector, okay? Or they could choose not to. Guys, in our economy, unlike some other economies, which are those economies are controlled by the government, the free enterprise economies, anybody can start a business. Doesn't matter who you are. If you want to start a business, you can. And all of these businesses have the right to either succeed or fail. Okay? That part is up to them. And finally, we all have the right to enter into a free contract. Okay? Guys, we're entering into free contracts right now. You guys are entering into free contracts right now by applying to jobs. Whether that be a part-time job to get you through high school, or be a full-time job after high school. And the roles. Okay? Producers seek profits. Okay? Anything that a producer is doing is going to be seeking profits of some sort. Now, there are some that are non-profits. These guys are working based off of um um these guys are working based off of investments or donations, stuff like that. They are not selling something, they're helping other people through donations or investments. Consumers vote for what they want when they choose a store and buy stuff from it, okay? So, guys, this is similar to what I was saying earlier. You guys are only going to buy what you want. So, let's use this example. How many of you guys would rather buy something from Target or buy something from Walmart? Okay? That is some of these areas where consumers are voting based off of where they want to buy their things from. If you guys are more likely to go to Target, producers are going to see that, so they're going to be more than likely going to be trying to selling their products at Target rather than Walmart. Okay, and fads are common, but they aren't last long. They don't last long. Okay, that's causing the stores to constantly needing to adapt in order to survive. Okay, every single one of these fads or trends don't last long. Okay? They might seem like they do, but in reality, they don't. They easily die out. And most decisions are made at the marketplace. Okay? This is talking more specifically as stores. When you're at Target or Walmart and you see something that you want, you're either going to decide to buy it right then or you're going to decide to wait. And if you guys decide to wait, you might go back and buy it or you might not, you know. And competition is the heart of the free enterprise system, and it drops prices for us, the consumer. Okay, that's it.